Hi, today I'm gonna share with you this amazing scrub for skin that it contains rice flour. Rice flour loaded with anti-aging properties and various oil-absorbing agents. It can possibly provide you with a lot of beauty benefits that include skin brightening and detan as well. If you wish to get rid of acne and pigmentation spots, then you can bring rice flour to your rescue. Also, it's an excellent source of vitamin B, which helps in the production of the new cells. It's one of the best natural ingredients, suitable for all skin types. It hydrates the skin without making it oily and has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and healing effect. Milk exfoliates and lightens the skin and makes it plump and youthful. You will require oats, rice flour, milk and honey. Oats help in shedding dead cells from the skin. So, all you need here is 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of oats, 3 teaspoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix these ingredients until they form a thick paste. Apply the pack all over your face. Start on the forehead and gently scrub in small circular motion. Move down to around the outer eye area, avoiding eyelids and under eye area, and move over the face, nose, mouth, chin and neck. Relax for 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. Apply your face cream right away to lock in the moisture. Try it once a week, you will get an amazing result. I love the effect that rice has on my skin. After a rice scrub, my face feels super hydrated, plump and supple, smooth and even toned, and very youthful. Natural face scrub offer gentle, balanced care which, with consistency and persistence, leads to much better, longer, lasting results than layering harsh, heavy products. Do try this out, and if you like it, please share it with your family and friends so that they can also benefit from this scrub. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.